Hi friends, it's Miss Rachel with the Otago Prattville Public Library, and this is today's craft for the Tuesday, December 8th Zoom Story Room. You will need your craft kit, colors, scissors, and a glue stick. So we're going to go ahead and, for today's craft, take out our star cutouts, the big yellow ones, the medium yellow ones, and the small yellow ones, and you should have 2 of each. And then we're also going to take out our glitter glue and our piece of ribbon. The rest of the supplies we'll save for Thursday's Zoom Story Room. And the first thing we're going to do is put our stars that are the same size together and hold them one on top of the other. And we're going to use our scissors. Actually, we can take them apart for this step, but you want to make sure that they match up nicely first. So if you need to do any trimming, you can do that first. But then once you take them apart, you can take your scissors and cut halfway up from the bottom of one of the stars. And then you're going to take your other star and cut halfway down from the top, from the point this time. So we're going to cut right down the middle to the center of the star. And then we can take our 2 stars and slide the parts together and line them up real nicely. And then we've got stars that stand up. So that's kind of cute. They hang out together and are 3-dimensional. We're going to do the same thing with our other 2 sets of stars. So again, halfway up from the bottom and halfway down from the top. And we'll smush them together. Now, if you'd like, you can do this part at the end after you've done your decorating. So for my 3rd stars, my big stars, I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to wait to do my cuts until I've decorated them. And we're going to use our glitter glue and our colors to decorate today. So I think I just want to put a bunch of glittery polka dots all over my big yellow stars. And you can do different sizes of polka dots. You could do little bitty ones. And you can do some bigger ones. You can really decorate them however you like. You can draw designs on there with your glitter glue, or you can outline the stars if you'd like, however you think looks beautiful to you. And if you let one side dry, you can also decorate the other side since they're 3-dimensional. So I've got my one side drying with the glitter glue. I'm going to start working on my other star instead of flipping this one over. And I'm going to do some colors, I think, on this one. So I'm going to use, again, my blue, because I'm just feeling like the color blue is the way to go today. And I'm going to do kind of like a star outline on this one, which I think is fun. There we go. If I want, I can flip it over and do the other side. Like I said, you can decorate as much as you want and go and get as creative as you'd like. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and attach my 2 big stars together. cutting up the middle on one and down the middle from the top on the other. Put my scissors away. And then we can smush them together. This is an example of why it's nice to decorate all your stars first before you assemble them, because my glitter glue is smearing a little bit, but that's not too bad. That's pretty okay. There we go. And then we can connect these all together with our ribbon. So we're going to take our scissors out one more time and cut our ribbon 2 times so that it's cut equally into thirds. And you can use one bit on the little star. We're going to glue it on with our glue stick. Where is my handy glue stick? Here we go. So we're just going to put a little bit of glue on the back of one side of the ribbon and attach that to the tip of our star here. And press it down and let it sit. And that way you can use a thumbtack or something or a hook to hang this from. But we want all 3 stars to be hanging together. So we're going to do the same thing at the top and the bottom of the other stars. So I'm going to glue, I think, to the tops of all 3 first. And it'll make sort of like a little mobile with 3-dimensional starry goodness. Okay, so we've got our tops attached on, and now we can glue the top part of the middle-sized stars, the top part of that ribbon that's attached to the medium stars. We can glue that to the bottom of the small stars. And again, if you want to take your time on this step to really let your glue dry, that's a good idea. I'm just doing the quick and easy version. So here's what we've got so far. And then we'll do the same thing. Ooh, it doesn't like to stand up as much once they're all strung together, and that's understandable. Okay, and then we're going to put a little bit of glue again on the top of the ribbon that's attached to the biggest stars. Put our glue away and attach that gluey piece of ribbon right to the bottom of the medium stars. And I'm just going to hold that for about a count of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. That glued on very nicely. Making sure it doesn't stick to my fingers too much too. Ooh, I lost my big star part. Let's try that again. There we go. And then you can hang up your beautiful star creation. So mine's having a little bit of trouble sticking. I guess we needed to count higher than 10, huh? So take your time with gluing. Count to 10, or count to 10 2 times, or count to 20. However much holding and counting you need to do is a-okay to make sure that your stars stick together. And when they do, you will be able to just hang them right up wherever you'd like. So here, oh, there we go. There's the pretty side of my big blue stars, and the medium and the small, and they're all hanging together, and you can kind of spread them out to make them really dimensional, or you can leave them kind of flat to show the different patterns. It's totally up to you. So that is today's craft for Tuesday, December 8th. I hope you all enjoyed and have a wonderful day.